Hi, welcome. Today we're doing chocolate chip banana bread cookies, and let me tell you, it's a good one. So let's get started. Add 2 eggs to the bowl. Give it a quick mix. Add 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Mix until fluffy and lighter in color. Add 100 grams of butter room temperature and mix it up. Mash 2 bananas with a fork. It's always best to use overripe bananas. Add them to the rest of the batter and give it a quick mix. Now we'll combine our dry ingredients. You'll need 1½ cup of flour, 1/4 of a cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt. Mix it with a spoon. Sift it through the strainer while adding it to the rest of the batter. Mix just until everything is mixed in. You don't want to overmix here. Add 1 cup of chocolate chips. Make sure you leave some room in between because cookies will increase in size while baking. Preheat your oven to 375 and bake for 15 minutes. And here you are, banana bread chocolate chip cookies. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.